Hello students, first of all I welcome you all in standard 10. You people are going to face the board exam, but before going to face the board exam, you people are going to check yourself whether you have prepared for board exam or not. From today onwards, whatever the activities or whatever the things we are going to see, these things will help you a lot. So, my dear children, when we talk about English, two things are there. One, English as a language, and second thing, English as a subject. We people are going to deal with the subject. At the same time, we people are going to pay attention towards the language. Why is it so? Because 10 standards English, even 9 standard to 12 standard English is depend on the comprehension. So what is meant by comprehension? Comprehension means understanding. If you people are able to understand the text, if you people are able to understand the activities, then it is very easy to deal with the activity sheet. My dear children, now whatever we people are going to see, two things are expected. First thing, you people must get very good marks. At the same time, by these lectures, by these activities, your base would be very clear. Because in future, when you will be in standard 11, standard 12, even throughout the life, it will help you a lot. So my dear children, that's why dealing with the activities, while dealing with the text, we people are going to focus on language, and that's why language is very important one for the comprehension, to understand all the activities. Okay, now when we talk about the textbook, 10th standard textbook is very nice one. There are number of activities. You people are going to learn language. You people are going to deal with the different text. Some are nature related, some are sports related, some are related to the computer, some are related to the many more things. So definitely you people will enjoy the text. Now before going to deal with the text, when we talk about exam point of view, you people must be able to deal with the activity sheet. Now, activity sheet is there. What type of activity sheet is it? When we talk about the languages, it means all the language, that is Hindi, Marathi, English. Near about activity sheet is one and the same. But as per the English part concern, the activity sheet is very interesting one. Definitely you people will enjoy it. Okay. Now, when we will go to the activity sheet, as you know, there are 7 questions are there, which are going to ask for the board. So, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Before going to see everything, before going to study everything in standard 10, you must be very familiar with the activity sheet. Now, what there in activity sheet? In activity sheet, some sections are there. So section 1 is there, it is about language study. So language study, this is there only for 10 marks. In that, question number 1A and question number 1B. Question number 1A, do as directed. So 6 activities will be asked and 4 activities marks would be counted. So 2 activities are extra. In question number 1B, again do as directed. These activities are little bit challenging one. So here also 4 activities will be asked and you people are going to do the 2 activities. Which these activities are there, we people are going to see. So question number 1A, language study, do as directed, 8 marks, and question number 1B, do as directed, little bit challenging activities are there. These are again there for 2 marks. So what is there in question number 1A? In question number 1A, missing letters, alphabetical order, punctuation marks, then write maximum words having minimum 3 letters, related words, word chain, maybe that would be a noun chain or verb chain or adjective chain. All these things we are going to see throughout the text. Question number 1b, that is use phrase in your own words, in your own sentences. Or to that, there is add a clause. One clause will be given, that will be main clause. You people are going to add another clause to it. Then question number 1b, second, suffixes and prefixes. And or to this question, use the giving suffixes or prefixes in your own words. When you people will go to question number 2, question number 2, two scene passages are there. Though these two scene passages are going to ask from the text, but you people, there are different activities are there. Which activities are there? That also we are going to see. So question number 2a and 2b, 5 activities are there. In question number 2a, a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5. Simultaneously in question number 2b also, b1, b2, b3, b4 and b5. Question number 3, poetry, you know very well, that is appreciation, and one scene stanza is there. Then question number 4, non-textual passages, unseen passages are there. And in those in that unseen passage, one unseen passage will be asked, that also we are going to see it afterwards. And summary, you people are going to summary based on the same given passage. Now the writing skill section, question number 5a, b, question number 6a, b, these two are writing skill questions, and question number 7 is there, developing skills, skill development. So question number 5a, letter writing, both the two letters will be asked. You people are going to attempt one, that is formal and informal. Question number 5b, that is dialogue writing or speech writing. Question number 6a is information transfer, non-verbal to verbal or verbal to non-verbal. Question number 6b, expansion of idea is there. And in expansion of idea, first of all, there will be write a newspaper report based on the given headline. And or to it, there will be another question that will be developing a story. My dear children, either they will give you a starting of the story, you people will develop the story, or the ending will be given and it will be asked to develop the story. My dear children, the skill development last question is there, that is question number 7. It is a very easy translation. Again, translation, 3 things are there. In those 3 things, the first one is 6 words will be given. You people are going to translate the 4. 2s are there for extra. Then B, 4 sentences will be given. You people are going to translate 2 for 2 marks. And the last C, question number 7C, proverb, idioms or proverb. 2 proverbs will be given and you people are going to attempt 1. So before going to deal with the text, before going to deal with our 10th standard textbook, in advance you must know the activity sheet. In advance you must know the question paper format. If we know the format of the question paper, then it is very easy to deal with the text. Now come to the last part, that is skill development. Your skill will be developed and it will be checked by question number 7. So question number 7 is translation. In the translation, only 3 questions are there. Question number 7A, B and C. In question number 7A, 6 words will be asked. They will be from your textbook and you people are going to attempt only 4. So these 4 words are there for 2 marks. Then go to question number 7b. 7b, translate the given sentences. 4 sentences will be asked and you people are going to attempt only 2. So 2 sentences are there for 2 marks. Very good. Now question number 7c. 7c is translation of the proverbs or idioms. True proverb, 2 proverbs will be given and you people are going to translate only 1, that is there for 1 mark. So my dear children, before going to deal with the textbook, before going to do with all the activities from the textbook, and as you know very well, as per the new syllabus, even in the old syllabus also, even in the syllabus, only 4 units are there. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit number 1, 2 and 3, complete units are there for the exam. And from unit 4, 4.1, the poem is there, the world is mine. Afterwards we are going to see this poem also. And 4.4, Mary Kom, Super Mom. Very nice lesson is there related to sports. That lesson also will teach you a lot. And now, all these units are there. Some lessons are there, some poems are there. You people will definitely enjoy all the lessons and poem. Now one important thing is there. When we will see all the lessons and poems, what the learning outcomes are there. What you people are going to learn. That is very important. Learning only for exam, learning only for exam, that is one part is there. And second very important part is there, my dear children, that is by this activity sheet or by this textbook, I mean course book of the standard 10th is your base. Even this textbook would be the base of your throughout the life or of your career. Now my dear children, question number 1 to 7 already we have seen. We people have little bit discussed about textbook. Now while dealing with the poems and dealing with the lessons, directly come to the unit number 1. From unit number 1, 1.1 and 1.3, these 2 poems are there. And rest of the 3 lessons are there. That is 1.2, 1.4 and 1.5. Again same thing is there in unit 2, that is 2.1 and 2.3 poem. 3.1 and 3.3 poem is there. 4.1 and 4.3 poem is there. But as per the reduced syllabus, only 4.1 poem is there. So everywhere structure is one and the same. By this poetry, appreciation we are going to see, how to deal with the activity, that also we people are going to see. But at the same time, your vocabulary building and your sentence construction, that part is also very important one. Now, we people are at the unit number 1. After poetry, some lessons are there. 1.2, then 1.4, 1.5, these lessons are there. So 1.2, an encounter of a special kind. Very nice lesson is there, very nice text is there, that is a text is there for reading for pleasure. 1.4, be smart. Be smart means, we know, smart means not the looking part and all these things. So smart means what? While selecting any career or while doing any activity, you are first of all fix your goal. And how should be your goal? Your goal must be smart. Smart means S-M-A-R-T. Suppose your goal is to be the MBBS doctor. How would be your, what is your goal? Your goal is doing career in medical and you want to become MBBS doctor. So your goal is fixed. How should be your goal? Your goal must be smart. Smart in what sense? Is must be specific. S-M-A-R-T. It must be specific. then M for measurable, A for achievable, then R for realistic, and last T is very important one, that is time bound. To do or to achieve anything, these 5 steps are very important one. Go to the 1.5, that is his first flight. Very nice lesson is there about the seagull bird. We people learn many things from that text. These things are there. There are some warming up or chit chat activities. Then afterwards English workshop after the lessons. After these lessons, there are some English workshops. Now one big question is there. Sir, for the exam everything is going to ask from this English workshop? No. Hardly 5 to 10% will be asked from that activity hardly 10 to 15% will be asked from the English workshop. Even I would say this English workshop or the chit chat activities are there to clear your ideas, to get your base. By doing these activities, you people will be capable, people will be able to do the activities which are going to ask in the board exam. So now this 1.2, 1.4 and 1.5, even other lessons are there. From those lessons, all the things will not be there from the workshop. Some things will be there from your text also. Even some things will not be there from your text also. Suppose non-textual passage is there or unseen passage is there, that is not there from your text. But like a scholarship exam, this textbook is there. This textbook will clear your everything that you will be able to deal with the activity sheet.